Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, that is from the diary of Anne Frank. Obviously, it is written by Anne Frank. So, this chapter is based on a diary of Anne Frank. And who is Anne Frank? Anne Frank was, was a German. She was born in Germany, and she was German-born Jewish diarist. Okay, so she was just a little girl when she has suffered that Jews were badly treated by German government, and she wrote everything whatever she had experienced during her hiding in her diary, and somehow she died in this hiding, and her father survived only, and he just published her diary after that later, and then all the then world came to know that what actually had happened with Jews at that time. So and this diary, name of this diary is from the diary of Anne Frank, or full name is the diary of a young girl, and it is written during the time of Second World War, and it describes the pitiable conditions of the Jews. Why? Because they were very much affected by this war. They were affected by this war because thousands of Jews, they were forced to leave their houses and to just flee to other countries, and they were supposed to wear those yellow stars and distinguish them from others. And why? Because they were just dragged out of their houses and they were sent to concentration camps, and they were they were brutally murdered there, I would say, or they were tortured there. Why? Because Hitler, at the time, Germany had Hitler's government, and Hitler really hated those Jews, and he had some misconceptions or prejudices about them, and that's why he hated him, and he had given orders to just kill them anyhow, fairly or squarely. So they were killed there, and they, some of them, they just succeeded in getting away from that country, but thousands of people were killed there. Jews were killed there. So that is the main theme of this chapter. Main theme is that what fears this girl had faced during the hiding. She was hiding from their government, and where she was hidden, it is given in this whole extract, and this is before you read. So here you can see there's a picture of her, Anne Frank, and what is written here: this is a photo as I would wish myself to look all the time, then I would maybe have a chance to come to Hollywood. Anne Frank, 10 October 1942. So this was the picture she supposed to carry everywhere with her. Why? Because she found herself beautiful according to her, and she really thought that she would have a chance to go to Hollywood. So that's how she used to keep this picture of hers with every time. So now read before you read. Anneliese Mary Anne Frank, Anne Frank, 12 June 1929, February March 1945, was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and friends, and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power by Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended in the Netherlands. As persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went in hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Franklin office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margot Franklin. Her father, Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved, and convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So this is how they were hiding. Where they used to live. They used to live in Netherlands when it was occupied by German government. It came under the rule of German government. So they started, to harass those people, to exploit those people, and some of the Jews flee from there, and some of were captured by those German government, and they were, tortured there, sent to concentration camp. But her family, and Frank and her family, and for some of her friends, they were succeeded in hiding themselves in her father's office, some rooms of her father's office, and they had been hiding there for 2 years. But after that they were found there, and they were sent to concentration camp, where Anne and her sister, they died there because of typhus and some other problems. And her father, Otto Franklin, was only the survivor. And when he came across her diary, he thought that it should be published, so that world could know that how they were tortured and what had happened with them. So it was published in English under the title The Diary of a Young Girl. Diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday, and chronicles the events of her life from 12 June 1940 to until the final diary of 1st August 1944. It was eventually translated from the regional Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, televisions, and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi's occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. So that's how this diary was given to her on her 13th birthday, and it chronicles and it recorded all the happenings, all the events of this certain date from 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. So last entry was 1st August 1944. It would be date when they were taken to the concentration camp. So it recorded everything she had gone through that period, her whole life, her early life, before hiding and after hiding, during hiding, after hiding. Obviously she was taken to concentration camp, and her diary was not with her. So that important and crucial record is not recorded in her diary, but that during the hiding, what shortcomings they had come across, it was enough for other people, for world to know that what German government had forced them to go through. So it had happened there, and it was translated into so many of the languages, and it was most worldwide read book, and she became very popular, immensely popular. And her diary has referred to as written by a mature mind, not just a simple simple little kid or simple little girl. And it is described as a mature and insightful work. And so many dramas, pictures, theatrical works, operas were based on her diary. And it was appreciated by everyone. Why? Because it was the sole I would say record of the Holocaust victim to those people who victimized those all things, who had gone through those all sufferings. So maybe it was at that time called the solo record of such kind of suffering. So that how it become so immensely popular at that time. So there is an activity given to you people. So this activity here, what has given, there is given you I would just read it like that. There are the definitions are given to you: journal, diary, log, and memoirs. What are the difference between four of them? So journal, what is journal? Journal is a separate space or page for each day. You will write down your thoughts and feelings of what has happened that day. That is journal. Okay, a daily record, I would say. Diary, you can jot down your feelings, your everything, record of your journey, period of time, or event written every day. So diary is kind of a personal, we can say that written records which you keep for yourself. And what is log? Log is a record of person's own life and experiences, usually famous person. That is called record. And what is memoirs? Memoirs is a written record of events with times and dates, usually official. So memoir is for official use, and log you do for your personal life. Okay, for your own of a famous person. Obviously it is of a famous person. For your own interest you keep it, record of your life or a track of your life. So this is the difference between. And then this chapter actually started from here, so we will start this chapter tomorrow. So just read here, and if you want to find more about NA, you can go through your Google, okay, find more information about her, got to know what her family has gone through, what has happened to her and her father. So it is for your own interest and for your own knowledge. You will have a better understanding of this chapter.